Today we are checking out 5 of the greatest street fighter motorcycles in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going naked for this one. First up, we have the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS, priced at $18,895. Love it or hate it, its strange dual headlights are as unique and bold as its engine. The Triple, as its name implies, gets the job done with 3 cylinders and 1,160 cc's, which deliver 178 horsepower and 92 foot-pounds of torque. It might not be the fastest, but it makes up for that with its insane handling that anyone who's ever ridden one before will struggle to explain just how pleasing it really is. Next in line is the Ducati Streetfighter V4, starting at $22,095. Ducati has crafted a machine that offers both power and elegance. With a 1,301cc V4 engine, it boasts 208 horsepower and 90 foot-pounds of torque, giving you superbike specs wrapped in a naked package. Or unwrapped, I guess. With a top speed of 180 miles per hour, Ducati does not disappoint with this bike. Now let's talk about the Indian FTR Sport, priced at $15,749. It's a strange one to put on this list, but we couldn't resist. It's gorgeous, and it's not just a looker, it's a dirt track racing marvel. With 120 horsepower from its 1203cc V-twin engine, it's a purpose-built racer that has already taken on the competition and emerged victorious. Also, the sound of its engine is a true symphony. Next, we've got the Kawasaki Z H2 with some really nice and aggressive styling. The H2 is equipped with a 999cc supercharged engine. An engine that screams as only Kawasaki can, with 197 horsepower and 101 foot-pounds of torque. It can achieve a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Its naked design showcases its beautifully painted trellis frame, making it an instant head-turner. Lastly, we have the MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR, starting at $38,198. This bike is brutale by name, brutale by nature, and brutale in performance. MV Agustas have taken on a more modern design as of late and have outpaced even the likes of the Ducati Streetfighter, and it does it with only 998 cc's. This MV puts out a raw and, shall we say, brutale, 208 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque. This aggressive force of nature can hit 186 miles per hour in all of its naked glory, making it as striking in true performance as it looks. Naked bikes are gaining popularity for their blend of performance and style. But are you a fan of this edgy Street Fighter look, or do you like to keep your bike covered up? Let us know and we'll see you next time.